Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you on how the checkbox, that is the new checkbox in Microsoft 365, can be linked to a picture. So for example, if I click this checkbox, the eyes here open. And when I click again, so the eyes close. So let us click. So the eyes open. And I want you to pay attention here where we have the formula bar here, it is reading true. So if we click again, the eyes close, and then here it reads false. So let us close this workbook, and then we open a new one, so where I will show you on how this is done. So let us close this. So this is the new one, and I've already created the pictures here, as you can see. So we shall have our linked picture here. So then we shall have the checkbox here. So the picture will be shown here, and then here we have the checkbox. So let us go to this sheet, and then we create the name ranges. So that is, you select column A and B, then press Ctrl Shift F3, then click on top row. So if you press Ctrl F3, this will show you the name manager and the names we have created. That is the column here. First column is eyes, so that one. Then the second column there is the status. So then we copy the cell A2. So Ctrl C to copy, then go to the next sheet here, then click on Home tab, then select or click on linked picture. So now the picture here is linked to the pictures in this other sheet. So then here we shall insert a checkbox. To insert a checkbox, you click on Insert tab, then on your right you can see the checkbox. So click that, and the checkbox is created there. So the next thing is to go to the name manager, so where we shall name or we shall put our formula. So that is index and match. So press Ctrl F, Ctrl Shift, Ctrl Alt F3. Then here we simply call this I. Then here we put our formula, so that is index. So that one will return the name range that is called eyes. That is this one here. So therefore here we simply type eyes, comma, match. So the lookup value is the checkbox here. So we select that cell, that is D1. Then comma, we shall select, that is the status here. So therefore here we simply type status. Then comma 0 for exact match. Then close the brackets twice. Then click OK. So then this picture here, we shall remove this, and now we call it I. So immediately we type I, so the eyes will close because you can see the checkbox is in false status. So then enter. So you can see the eyes close. So if you click this checkbox, so it will show true here and the eyes open. If you click again, so the eyes close. So thank you for watching my video, and see you in my next videos where I'll give you more examples on the use of a checkbox.